Getting sued is one of the scariest things that can happen to a business owner. You worked hard to build your LLC, and now you've got legal papers in your hand saying someone is taking you to court. What do? Well, in this video, I'll break down exactly what steps to take if your LLC gets sued, so you can protect yourself and your company and your future. The first step you'll need to take is to get an attorney ASAP. After you receive the complaint, the very first thing you need to do is call an attorney in your LLC state who specializes in business litigation. Lawsuits are very time sensitive, and missing deadlines can lead to default judgments, which mean that you automatically lose. And don't try to handle this yourself. Even if you think the case is frivolous, the court won't see it that way without a proper response. An attorney can evaluate the complaint, explain your options, and start building your defense right away. Step 2 is to immediately answer the complaint. When you're sued, the plaintiff, or the person suing you, files a complaint with the court. You'll receive a copy that's usually served by a process server or a sheriff. And when you get that complaint, it sets a clock ticking. Depending on your state, you may have as little as 20 days to respond to that complaint, so you don't want to wait around. If you don't file an answer on time, the plaintiff can request a default judgment. That means that they win automatically, and the court may order damages against your LLC without hearing your side of the case. Your attorney will draft and file the proper response, whether it's an answer, a motion to dismiss, or another filing of their choosing. Step 3 is to notify your insurance company. And many business owners forget this crucial step. If your LLC has liability insurance, whether that's general liability, professional liability, or something similar, you may have coverage for that lawsuit. Policies often require that you notify the insurance company immediately once a claim or a lawsuit is filed. And if you delay, the insurance company might deny coverage. And if it's covered, the insurer may provide a lawyer at no extra cost to you and cover damages or settlements up to your policy limits. Step 4 is to contemplate settling the case. Not every lawsuit goes to trial. In fact, most don't. Your attorney will discuss whether it makes sense to negotiate a settlement. And negotiating a settlement doesn't always mean you're guilty. It can be a strategic decision to save time, money, and emotional stress. Sometimes fighting is worth it, and other times settlement is smarter. Each case is unique, and your attorney may help you determine what's best for you. But go ahead and check their billable hours before you make that decision. Step 5 is to follow the corporate formalities. One reason you set up an LLC is to protect your personal assets when your business is sued. But that protection only holds true if you keep the LLC separate from yourself. Courts can pierce the corporate veil if you commingle funds, you fail to keep records, or you don't follow the corporate formalities. And if you're sued, the plaintiff's attorney may try to pierce the corporate veil and look for ways to argue that your LLC really isn't separate from you. And when that happens, they can reach all of your personal assets. Always keep business and personal finances separate. Maintain records and follow your state's LLC rules. And step 6 is to have a registered agent. This is preventative but critical. Your LLC must have a registered agent on file to accept legal documents. And if you don't maintain a registered agent, you might not even know you've been sued until it's too late. Using a professional registered agent service like my company, Corporate Direct, ensures you never miss important documents, and it also helps you maintain personal privacy. Being sued is stressful, but if you take the right steps, you can protect yourself and your business. Hire an attorney immediately, respond on time, notify your insurance provider, consider settlement, and keep your LLC in good standing. Remember, the whole point of forming an LLC is liability protection. And if you handle things correctly, your personal assets remain safe. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other business owners. And if you have questions about protecting your LLC from lawsuits, go ahead and drop them in the comments. I might cover them in a future video. Lastly, if you need a registered agent or you want additional help with your LLC, my team at Corporate Direct is here to help. You can schedule a free 15-minute consultation with one of my team members by clicking the link in the description below.